Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 66 plate Nissan Juke Nismo RS. This is the 1.6 turbo petrol, 5 doors, finished in pearl black, and it's covered just 53,000 miles. So have a good walk round of this sporty looking SUV from Nissan, the Juke Nismo RS. Now Nismo is Nissan's performance department. So this is a Juke, but with a 1.6 turbocharged petrol engine, 215 brake horsepower, so it goes really well. 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got the pearl black with the red wing mirrors, red stripes, diamond cut alloy wheels. Looks a hell of a thing. Just taken in part exchange. Lady part exchanged it against the Freelander that we had for sale. Needed something a bit more rugged, more four-wheel drivey. Obviously these are two-wheel drive, but you have got that raised seating position, so visibility and access much improved to a standard hatchback. Full service history with the car, really impressive service history, actually 7 stamps in the book, so thoroughly well maintained throughout its life. And it really is in lovely condition. Hopefully you're getting a good view of it despite the sunlight. It's about 1,000,000 degrees today. But a really smart looking thing. All your usual creature comforts that you get from the higher spec Jukes, with a few more added bits. So we've got these Nismo kick plates. Got this leather and Alcantara steering wheel. Nismo semi-racing seats, I suppose. Bolsters are really hug me tight, in good condition. And you've got the Nismo embossed into the top of them as well. I did take the pictures of the inside of the car indoors, so if you have a look on the website you might get a slightly better view. Door cards are all nice and tidy. You get remote central locking, comes with 2 keys, and it's keyless entry and keyless start. 4 electric windows. Then as we make our way inside, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel itself you've got controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. Then you've also got your trip computer and your radio controls. Automatic lights and automatic wipers. A couple of cup holders, normal manual handbrake. Some storage under the armrest there, and then you've got heated seats. There's your 6-speed manual gearbox. Just nice touches here and there, red stitching, bit of carbon fibre effect. Nismo embossed into there, and then you've got some more storage, grippy storage for your phone, wallet, whatever. USB 12-volt socket. And in the glove box you've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut key, and then if we start the car up, so it's foot on the clutch, all you've got to do is have your keys about you, push the button, and it makes a raspy little noise. Big exhaust at the back, and then you've got your standard Nissan setup in the middle. So you've got your climate control, works really nicely luckily today, and then we've got your satellite navigation, we've got your DAB digital radio, we've got your reversing camera. If I put it into reverse, there we go, and obviously you got your Bluetooth for your telephone as well. So all your creature comforts. Really nice straightforward layout, super easy to get along with. Day to day it's a very practical car, as the Juke is, but obviously if you want to have a bit of fun, you've got 200 odd brake horsepower at your disposal. Into the rear, so it's got its carpet mats throughout with the red stitching, and then you've got 3 proper headrests with 3 proper seat belts with the ISOFIX, so it is a proper 5-seater. Electric windows in the back, really nice and tidy. Not being kicked to death. Bits of Nismo everywhere. There we go. Really nice diamond cut alloys. Good tyres. Then you got this cool splitter across the back, and then a big old chunk of an exhaust. Into the load space. So you've got your parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then nice flat load space in the boot, so with a Juke cover. Under this we've got the normal carpet one, and then this comes out as well to leave you with a really good sized boot if you take that out. And then underneath that you've got your compressor, inflation kit, and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it. Quite the rare beast, this one. Nissan Juke Nismo. 53,000 miles, really good service history. Finance is available from less than £220 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 remote keys, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. Extended warranties are available, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups, and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really good value example in super condition. I'm sure this one's going to be snapped up. Thanks for watching.